Hello everybody, welcome back to the video, and today I'm here with an amazing video of pop-up card, which is obviously very much interesting and amazing to make. Okay, so let's start the video. So I have taken the sheet, it's a bit thicker, and I'm going to show you that what size it is. So it is 8.3 into 11.5 and it is 140 GSM. I've taken the measurement 8.5 to 8. Okay, so just join me and let's do it. Let's make an amazing pop-up card. Oh my god, look who has joined us. This cutie. Okay. So my base measurement is almost done and now I'll cut it and I'll also make a heart shape, to which I'm very bad at. You're gonna see in this video that how much trials I've given to that heart shape. Okay. So it's looking pretty, as you can see, and my base is almost done, and now I'll cover it from colorful papers. This hard cardboard that I'm using is just an optional thing. I'm doing it because when I open it, it just pulls itself down. Let's see if it happens or not. So you can also, if you wish, you can skip it, but I'm doing. And let me choose among these. Okay, which paper should I try now? When it comes to its decoration, you can use any paper if you're having. I have used all the invitation card papers. Okay, yes, I have done that. Everything is from invitation card. Like, I have made best out of waste, you can say. Next come the capping part. Not capping, sorry, that box cap. Okay, so I've provided you the measurement, you can take it down. So if you are making as per my box, you're going to have the same measurement of the cap. Here's a twist in the cap which will look very beautiful, I must say, very beautiful. And this was the twist I was talking about, this transparent sheet. I loved it. So all my 3 layers are almost done, and now all I do is arrange it and make it in a box form. With this, we came to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it and also loved this pop-up box. Do make and also do review me that how was your card, and also let me know some more ideas if you're having, so that I can try it in my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.